Pomfret Fish Fry, a beginner's recipe. Today we are going to make Pomfret Fish Fry. The ingredients are fennel, black pepper, green chilli, dried red chilli, garlic, ginger. Put the garlic, ginger, red chilli, green chilli, black pepper, and the fennel seeds into the grinder. And grind all these ingredients well. The grind. Put in half a spoon of turmeric powder also into this grinder. And grind the ingredients well. Put in salt with the other ingredients into the grinder. Put in a spoon of lime juice. Now close and grind. Now all the masalas have been nicely ground. The ingredients have been finely ground. The final ingredient is the pomfret fish, which has been cleaned in salt and lemon juice and then cleaned in turmeric water. This fish has been cut in shallow cuts so that the masala gets into the fish. Apply the masala on the fish thoroughly and rub in the mixture so that it is evenly applied on both sides. This fish has been descaled and cleaned thoroughly. Now the masala and all the ingredients have been completely applied on the fish. Now the fish has to be marinated in this masala for 45 minutes to 1.5 hours. The more the better. Heat the pan and pour in 20 ml of oil. Once the oil is heated, put in the fish. Let it fry for 5 to 10 minutes by turning from side to side. Turn it to the other side slowly. do this every 30 seconds until the fish is completely fried. You might need to do this for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the final Pomfret Fish Fry, a beginner's recipe. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button. If you do not want it to be spicy, you can lose the green chili and the red chili, or take them in less quantity.